Hey guys, welcome back to Vishwa Techlogic YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can withdraw the bonus amount in the Bybit application. So in the previous video friends, I have been shown how you can loot the offer. So here as you can see here, you can grab easily $20 to $40 easily, more than that also. So in this video, I will show the process how you can withdraw it. So before going to the video friends, still if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So if you not yet watched our previous video, as you can see here, earn 1500 to 4000 rupees for all users. So you can just go to our channel and you can watch the video, or else I will give link in the description. Just go to the link and check out this video and come back and you can see this video to watch the withdraw process. So before going to the video friends, so some of our users have an doubt regarding the bonus. So here you need to how to get your bonus amount. So in order to get the bonus amount friends, so you need to do the trading in this application. So you can just invest the $10 or $5, anything it may be. So you can invest and you can do the trading, so like 10 times or 20 times with this $10 itself. So you can, if you haven't less also, you can do that. And also once you're done with the $10 or something, any amount, extra amount also, so you can get the $20 or $40 also. You can earn from this bonus, you can earn $40 to $50 also, more than that also. So I will show in this video so how you can withdraw this. And also you can, in the withdraw process, so I have been shown the Ripple coin to withdraw it. So you can use any exchange to withdraw the coins and deposit to the Bybit application. So watch the video completely, and if you have any doubts you can comment down below. So now let's get into the topic. So let's see how we can withdraw the bonus amount. Open the Bybit app and click on the derivatives. So once you click on the derivatives, you can see the options called cross. So I will click on cross and I will keep as 25 into 25. So both keep it as 25. So once you click on it, so just save the settings. So once you save the settings, so here what you need to do is, so you need to use the open long and open short. So I will use open long for 50%. It means I will use 50 if you have $20, it will use $10. And the next for open short you need to use 100%, so that your amount will balance and you will get the, if you get the loss in the open long, you will be getting the profit in the open short. So what I will do is, just I will click on it and I can confirm it. So at a time I will drag it and I will confirm the open short also. So as you can see here, both the sides I am getting the profit as well as loss. So we have to see here. So what you need to do is, so first you can click on the close buy. Once you click on the close buy, you can see the profits. So as you can see here, what is my loss? So 0 point in dollars something. So here as you can see here, losses and the profit, so it will change automatically according to the market. So you can select any coins like SHIB or anything coin. So I selected the SHIB. So as you can see here, I got the loss in the $2 here, and also I got the profit in 2.8 like that. So it will change. So what I will do is, first I will book the profit. So once you can see 2.8 something I got the profit, and 1.8 rupees is loss. So you can close at a time and you can get this also. So no need to worry about that. Here what I done is, so in open long if you get the loss, so it will cover in open short. So the amount will be, we are converting the amount unusable amount into reusable amount. So you can use this amount. So once you're done, so you can just do like this, or else you can close at once. So make sure that you don't have a loss over there. So as you can see here, I will click on the asset. So as you can see here friends, so in the spot I don't have any USDT. So in the derivatives I have an USDT over here. So you can just tap on it, and also you can see, click on transfer. So once you click on transfer, so just you need to change that from and to. So from and to I will change it, and as you can see here, I got the $24. I haven't done the trading here. I will transfer, I want for further trading, so I will transfer only $12. So if you want complete amount, you can transfer it. I will click on transfer. So as you can see here, transfer is successful. So here I will get derivative amount to the spot account. So you can see here, so in the spot account, so as you can see here in the USDT I got the $12 over here. So I will click on the spot and I will buy for the XLM coin. So it is the, if you want to transfer, we will get at lowest price we can transfer it. So I will select it and I will select the market price and I will keep it as maximum. So once you keep on maximum, so I will buy the coins over here. So I will click on buy. So for $12 I am purchasing this. So once you've done, so as you can see here, I got the XLM coins. I have been purchased with the $12. I got the XLM coins here. Click on withdraw. So here what you need to do is you need to set up the Google authentication. So I have been already added the Gmail account. So here I will set up the Google authentication. So you need to, first of all, you need to complete the captcha over here. So I will complete it, I will verify it. So once you verify it, friends, you can download from the Google Play Store, you can download the Google authentication. So here you need to give the Gmail ID. So you need to verify your email ID, that's it, so which you have been given. So I will enter the OTP. So you will get an OTP. So I will open my Gmail account. So once you open the Gmail account, you can find here. So as you can see here, authentication, just I will add the OTP here. So for the first time you need to do it, for the next time you don't need to add anything like this. So as you can see here, set up the Google authentication. So first of all, download the app from the Google and you need to open it. So once you open it, here you will get key from here. So I will click on continue. So once you click on continue, friends, you will get some key here. So this key you need to paste in the Google authentication app. So you can download the app from the Google Play Store. I will give the link in the description. So as you can see here, I got the key. So I will copy it and paste it. So once you paste it, you can just click on next, so that all the OTPs will be generated automatically over there. So I will give the Google authentication link in the description, or else you can just go to the Play Store and download the app from there also. So what I have to do is just copy it and paste it, and you need to give the name for it. So once you give, so just click on the next. So once you click on next, you need to verify with your authentication. So I got an OTP, so I will enter it. So as you can see here, so I got the withdraw page over here. So I will click on all and I will open the Wagerex application. So I will, you can get this from the fund section. So I will select the XLM coin. So and I will click on the deposit also. So once you click on the deposit, here you can see the address and the memo over here. So I will copy the address and the memo. So make sure that when you're pasting the address and memo, add carefully. So I will click on the please add an address. So first I will add the address. Make sure that you are copying and pasting, so don't type it, because if one mistake happened, means the complete amount will be lost over here. So I will click on add address and I will click copy the address and I will paste it. So here the tag is optional. So if you want to give the tag, you can give the tag. I will give the name. So here I will give the name as XLM. So this address will be automatically saved over here. So I will give the name as XLM. Don't type it, friends, just copy it and paste it, so it will be simple. So once it's done, so once you click on next, you need to add the Google authentication pin. So just to open the app, Google authentication app, so that you can get the pin over there. So every fraction of seconds you can generate the pin. So it has been expired, so I will add the pin again. So once again I will try it. So as you can see here, successfully address has been added, so XLM coin address. So once it's done, here you need to click on all and you need to paste the memo over here. So I will go to the Wagerex app. You can use any exchange to receive the coin, so it depends on you. So I will use the Wagerex. So once it's done, so I will click on the withdraw. So here you will get an OTP for your email account, and also you need to verify the captcha over here. So I will verify the captcha here. and you will be having the already having the OTP in the Google authentication also. So I will click on get OTP and I will enter the OTP from the Gmail account. This Google authentication will be automatically generated, friends, so you no need to worry about that. Just download the app and just open it so you can understand easily. So we'll enter the Gmail OTP and also I will enter the Google authentication OTP also. Or else just you can copy it and paste it from there also. So I will just enter manually. Once you click on OK, so as you can see here, submitted successfully. So the request has been submitted successfully. So you can check it here. So in the XLM, so I will refresh it and I will once check it, friends. So you can refresh the page. So it may take some time. So it took almost 8 hours to deposit the coin in my Wagerex account. So as you can see here, I received the XLM coin to my Wagerex account, and also this is the confirmation mail from the Wagerex. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And friends, so watch the video carefully, first video, and you can easily understand and you can do this process easily and you can just earn it. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you, friends, thank you for watching this video.